Hello, I welcome you to this Homeowners Insurance Guide series. I will welcome you with a beginner's overview. Cool, right? Okay, journey with me. Homeowners insurance is a form of property insurance that provides financial protection to homeowners in the event of damage to their home, personal belongings, or liability for injuries that occur on their property. It is typically required by mortgage lenders and offers peace of mind for homeowners by mitigating the financial impact of unexpected events. Mind you, there are different types of homeowners insurance coverage. Homeowners insurance policies are categorized into several types, referred to as HO forms, to suit different property types and coverage needs. Let's check them out. We have HO1, which is the basic form. It provides limited coverage for specific named perils, such as fire, lightning, windstorm, hail, theft, and vandalism. It is rarely used due to its limited scope. Next is HO2, which is the broad form. It covers a broader range of perils, including those in HO1, plus additional risks like falling objects or damage from electrical currents. HO3, which is the special form. This is the most common type of homeowners insurance. It offers open perils coverage for the dwelling, meaning it covers all risks except those explicitly excluded. Also, personal property is covered on a named perils basis. HO4, which is the renter's insurance. It is designed for tenants, covering personal property and liability but not the structure itself. HO5, which is the comprehensive form. It provides the most extensive coverage where both dwelling and personal property are insured on an open perils basis. It typically offers higher coverage limits and fewer exclusions. Next is HO6, which is the condo insurance. It is tailored for condominium owners. It basically covers the interior of the unit, personal property, and liability. HO7, which is the mobile home insurance. It is specifically for mobile or manufactured homes with coverage similar to HO3. Lastly, HO8, which is the older home insurance. It is designed for historic or older homes. It also covers the cost of repairs using materials and methods similar to the original construction. A lot of people ask, what exactly does homeowners insurance cover? Homeowners insurance typically includes 6 key areas of protection. Dwelling coverage. This protects the physical structure of your home, including walls, roof, and foundation, against covered perils such as fire, windstorms, or vandalism. Other structures coverage. This covers structures not attached to the main house, such as fences, sheds, and detached garages. Personal property coverage. This reimburses the cost of replacing personal belongings such as furniture, electronics, and clothing if damaged, destroyed, or stolen. Liability protection. This protects against lawsuits for injuries or property damage caused by you, your family members, or pets. Additional living expenses (AL). This covers the cost of temporary housing, meals, and other expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event. Medical payments coverage. Pays for medical expenses if someone is injured on your property, regardless of fault. Now, what isn't covered by homeowners insurance? While homeowners insurance provides extensive protection, there are notable exclusions. Stay attentive. Flood damage requires separate flood insurance, often through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP. Earthquake damage requires a separate earthquake insurance policy. Wear and tear, which means damage due to neglect, aging, or lack of maintenance, is not covered. Acts of war or nuclear hazards. These are excluded from standard policies. Also, high-value items like jewelry, fine art, or collectibles exceeding coverage limits require additional endorsements or riders. Certain dog breeds. Some insurers exclude liability coverage for injuries caused by specific dog breeds deemed high risk. Lastly, intentional damage. Losses resulting from intentional acts by the homeowner are not covered. To round this up, homeowners insurance is essential for protecting your home, belongings, and financial stability. By understanding the different types of coverage, what is excluded, and how to tailor your policy to your needs, you can ensure adequate protection against life's uncertainties. Always consult with an insurance professional to address specific requirements and customize your coverage. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next class. Don't miss it.